Hello sheddies, and you join me again in my shed. We've all got ratchet sets and sockets that we use pretty much on a fairly regular basis. But if you're like me and you store them all on a tool wall, which I've got behind me there, if you want to do a job in the house or in the front driveway or in your car or whatever, you've got to take them all out with you, unless you've got them in a box, of course. But then I still tend to lose them. So I thought I'll get something that is an all-in-one device. So everything in one unit. And I've just bought this, a multi-wrench by Workzone from Aldi, the middle aisle again. Normally I'd say I went in for a loaf of bread, but this time it was to get a battery for a grinder that I'm unable to get. I don't know why, but we'll come on to that in another video. But first of all, let's open this and see what it's all about. It's called a multi-wrench 8-in-1, and it's for sizes 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 17, 19 and 21 millimeters. No change of sockets necessary. Interesting, because it only looks like it's got 1, 2, 3, 4. They must flip over or something. Let's have a look in a second. Nice rubber handle by the looks of things. Nice box. Part number, where is it? I think that might be the part number. 811952. I've never had any issues with Workzone products, tools, so let's see if this isn't an exception. Tested and certified in Germany. Ooh, it's got some weight to it. So how does this work then? But it can't be rocket science. Okay, so it's a nice rubber handle, chromium finish, shiny. So they go in for 2 different sizes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So starting off with the 8mm, that end, and then 10mm. So when you put the 10mm on, it'll push the, I don't know if you can see that, it'll push that inner sleeve in. Just there. Let me get a bolt. So here we go. I've got a bolt here with a 17mm head. Yep, 17mm. So that will go into that one there. That locks into there. So if I had a, in fact, that will be a 21mm for the outer. So if I had a 21mm bolt, it would push that inner part in. You can see there. There we go. And then the outer part of that is 21mm. So on this side, let me get this right. So that will be 14mm on the inner, and then 19mm on the outer, I think. And then on this side, starting off on here, 8mm going to 12mm, and then 10mm on the inner going to 13mm. It's a bit loud. It's a little bit jiggly, but need in an emergency, or what you need on the hop. So there's 8 variations, which I think is great. It's easy to use. There's no taking of the sockets out. I've never seen one of these before. To be honest, I haven't really looked. And I saw this one today and I thought, oh yeah, it's handy to have either in the house, or if you need it in your car, or I don't know, motorcycle, or just somewhere in your tool bag. You haven't got to carry sockets around and risk losing them. So it's all in one. So where are we there? Let's have a look. So click the lever one side to the other. So where are we there? Let's get it this way around. So righty tighty, lefty loosey. But yeah, I think to get you out stuck, I think it's a nice little bit of kit. So a good rubber handle on it. £9.99 it was from Aldi, the middle aisle. On that. That's a good thing about it as well. It'll determine which nut it is. You haven't even got to look at what the head is. Just go plop, plop. No, it doesn't work on that one. Yeah, that's the one. So I've just noticed on this side here, 17 to 21 on one side, and then 14, 19. I think that's what I said earlier in the video. And then this side, 8mm to 12mm, and then the other side is 10mm and 13mm. Yeah, I think that spring-loaded device is a really clever idea. I'm sure there's snap-on versions and higher quality versions, but for £9.99, stick it in your tool bag and you're away. So there we go, the multi-wrench from Workzone from Aldi, the Myrtle Isle. I think it'll also be good on one of those jobs where you've got varying sizes of nuts and bolts. Instead of swapping out the socket to the ratchet every time, then you just got one of these in your hand. One tool fits all. What do you think to it? Stick your comments below and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Cheers.